I was shocked and surprised to find out that most people don't know how to roast a chicken. So I took it upon myself to make a video to show how you properly roast a chicken. Wow, it's just mind-blowing. Here it is. This is how you properly roast a chicken. This chicken is so stupid, it don't even know why it crossed the road. This one sat on a golf ball for 3 weeks thinking it was an egg. Chickens actually think buffalo wings come from a buffalo. Chickens are the pet that poops breakfast, I'll give them that. Why can't chickens get along with anybody? Because they're foul.
That's your name.
Why don't chickens do drugs? Because they don't want to get fried. Why don't chickens only recognize 6 days of the week? Because they don't believe in Friday.
Oh, you didn't want that one.
Chickens is so dumb. Chickens is so dumb. The rooster went into the KFC because he wanted to see a chicken strip. Butt goes peck, peck, boom! The chicken in the landmine. How does a chicken go about solving his problems? He wings it. Wings it. He wings it. What side of the chicken has the most feathers? The outside. How did the dead chicken cross the road? In the KFC bucket. Sorry. Sorry, little buddy.
Yeah, well, you could be seen on the screen.
You go step out.
You're doing fine. You're doing a good job, Goldie.